Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show products in your homepage of your store. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So as you can see, this is my store and this is the shop uh, section or the shop page. And if I go to home, there is these products that will be displayed here. And the simple way to do it is by just creating or by having some templates that are or some themes that has products in the homepage. And all you need to do is to go to appearance, go to themes, and from there you will be able you might use Astra. This is a very strong theme that will allow you to have many other starter elements or many templates, and you can go and after activating your Astra plugin or Astra theme, you will find it here and click on your Astra and you can start using some starter templates. And from these templates, you can have ones that have, for example, the products in the home page. Another way to do it is by simply customizing your theme and click on customize. And basically in your page, you will need just to start going to the global or for example go back, and from here we will find these WooCommerce, and you can find either you can add a product catalog. For example, we can uh, delete it, or you can have some designs to it or anything that you would like. So basically, you can start having products per page. For example, it can be 0 if you want to display them, or you can show categories, etc. So basically, all you need to do is to start customizing from your theme and start adding your products. Depends on how you'd like it. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.